In the previous video, I showed you how easy it is to write a database application using Speedment. So in this video, I'm going to expand a little bit around that example. So remember, we had this film manager that we used to create a stream over all the films in a database, and then we filter that stream. And I explained that this filtering is actually being done on the database side. So now, instead of finding all the films with a particular keyword in the title, let's look for films with a particular rating. So we can change this to rating. And then we say that we're interested in all the films with an R rating. And then instead of printing them out, let's count them. And then we can print that out. So let's just store this. And send it to system out. Now if we run this, we see that we have 195 R-rated movies in the database. But perhaps we're not interested in only the R-rated movies. We want to see how many belong to each category. And that is a common statistical query to perform. And we can do that with a stream as well. So instead of counting it, we're going to collect it. And then we say grouping by. And this is a static method that we need to import from the collectors class. And then first, it takes a function that, given a film, returns the category. So we're just going to say film.rating, because these column definitions are also functions. And then, as the second operator, we say what we want to do with that stream. And we can use a counting collector. Next, this returns a map and not a long. So we can remove that part and then just say that we want to introduce a local variable count. And now if we run it again, it of course returns a map with a key R and 195. We can then comment away this filter and it will give us all the categories. Like this. And of course we can use this together with the filter. So instead of filtering on the rating, let's find all of the films with a title that starts with an A. And now there are much fewer. So this really shows how useful the stream interface is when building database applications. We don't have to worry about exactly how this SQL query will look. We just write it as a stream and Speedment has to figure it out. So thank you for watching.